Did you know not all insurance agencies are the same? Some are out there selling for the company, and some are out there working for you. They're searching many companies to find you the best coverage and getting you the most affordable price. I am here with another episode of Ask the Experts. My name is Reanne Meyer with the Boom Real Estate Group, brokered by American Way, and I'm here today interviewing the Lau Insurance Agency. I am Reanne with the Boom Real Estate Group, brokered by American Way, and I'm here with Chris Lau with the Lau Insurance Agency, and she's here with some of our sales team, Carson and Rusty. And if you would like to just tell us how you got started in your background and role, and maybe what got you into this industry.
Lau Insurance was opened in 2020. We have been around, 5.5 years, going on 6 years this fall. I have been in the industry for 20 years. It was be 21 this fall. So been doing this for a little while. The Lau Insurance is an independent agency. We focus on auto, home, business, life insurance. Honestly, we can pretty much insure anything that you have or you own with competitive rates because we work with multiple companies. So it's been fun, getting to know the community in the last 20 years and working with these fine individuals that I have in my office. So
yeah, and I guess that's something that maybe some people don't know is that if you were just to go to a certain insurance agency, you can just get one insurance, where with working with you, you get to work with many.
Yeah, honestly, we're appointed with probably 20 different companies for personal lines. So if someone is shopping for a home and auto quote, we price it out and compare it. It's not cookie cutter. It literally, you could walk in the door, or Rusty could walk in the door and we propose one option for you and a different option for him, just depending on where you live, age of home. There's so many different factors that come into play, but yeah, we price it out, and on renewal, we remark it just to make sure that the pricing is still competitive.
Nice. Carson, would you like to tell me something about what it looks like for your day-to-day operations and what you do?
I suppose my day-to-day operations would include catching up on emails from clients from maybe the day before if they couldn't get back to me, answering the phone, seeing if a customer needs a policy change, if they replaced a vehicle or maybe considering putting full coverage on a vehicle they had liability only on, and then quoting home and auto insurance, and I'm actually starting to get started in commercial insurance as well.
Nice. And would you like to tell me something or give some of the viewers some word of advice about something you'd like to share? What is something that they should probably know when they're looking for insurance or when they should start looking for insurance?
Yeah, absolutely. See, outside of price, making sure your clients have proper coverages in place. One pain point that I find is houses being undercovered and haven't been looked at in a while. I quoted a house the other day and it was over $100,000 undercovered. So that's something that we pride ourselves on in the office, is making sure we're educating our clients on the coverages and what they're buying and deductible strategies. So I think it's a testament to our office because we have a 99% retention rate. So we are proactive when rates do get out of line with the companies that we have. Then we also will remarket and make sure you're still getting the best rate for your insurance plan.
Yeah, so when some of our clients are looking at houses, what is something they should pay attention to when looking with how insurance has kind of been changing lately?
Absolutely. Over the last handful of years, there's been a lot of weather, hail systems that we've all experienced. So making sure roof date is important to us. So the newer the roof, typically the better the rates, the more access you'll have to more carriers. So also proximity to fire department, where you're located. So those are some of the things that are important when looking at a house and when you're going to purchase it or not. So.
Yeah, so besides the age of the roof or maybe the price of the home, does the person matter? Maybe their credit score or anything like that? What else goes into play when you're looking at a house?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. So yes, credit score definitely is a big factor in how affordable rates are going to be, making sure people pay their bills on time, and making sure that they're finding a house fits their budget. So yeah, all important things. Like some things are, finished basements, and is there sump pumps? When's the last time their furnace has been updated? And remodel projects and stuff like that are important. That, if you have done electric circuit breaker updates, so things that you can do to mitigate the probability for a claim are going to also help as well. So if you have a brand new wiring in your house and a 2022 circuit breaker, you're going to get better rates because there's less risk of a claim.
Yeah, sounds good. Maybe we can go through and have you each tell us something about you and maybe something that you enjoy most about your job.
Sure, absolutely.
You want me to go first? Okay.
Yep.
Oh, a little bit about me. Okay, so I think I said I've been in insurance for 20 years, but I have two kids. They are twins, sophomores in college, both at MSU, so we're proud of the Mavs. My husband and I live out near Lake Washington. We've lived there for 11 years. And oh gosh, what do I enjoy most? Honestly, I would say it's helping people find a price that works best for them. It's hard sometimes when rates go up and you have to address it, or they're losing coverage, things like that. But it's really fun to look at, let's say it's a new client, they're coming in and I can save them $1,000. You know what? That's pretty fun, actually, to email them or call them and say, hey, I can save you $1,000. And they're like, what? Why didn't I do this years ago? I mean, seriously, we hear that all the time. So, or even on a renewal and their price went up, we can save them money. So that's great. It's just kind of working the puzzle around, and working with great people. I have 7 people. We have 7 people in the office, and there's good energy. It's busy. We're a busy office, but it's great to go into work every day.
I've been in Mankato since 2018 when I started going to MSU, and I graduated in the summer of 23, sounds right. And I got into insurance from a networking group. Someone had let me know that Chris had a ask that week. They were looking to hire someone on, so I applied from there, and it's been great ever since. Another personal fact, I keep a side job at Chipotle that I've had since college days, and I'm also in a band in town. We're called 3930. And then something I really like about my job is I do it for the thank yous when I help a client and they appreciate the help and I taught them something they didn't know before. I really like getting those thank yous, whether it's in a call or an email. And yeah, I like helping people mainly around my age group navigate the crazy world of insurance, because I didn't know a lot about it before I got the job at Lau Insurance. And so helping those people just navigate insurance as a whole, I like doing that a lot too.
I've been in insurance for 6 years now. And so, yeah, I guess I got into it, had a business that went under and got to pay out bills, and and then a month away from getting married. So we have 2 kids, I have 2 boys. And so that's kind of my why and what keeps me coming going every single day. And one of the things I do really like about my job, and outside of what Chris mentioned about saving people money, that's awesome, but being there for people at claim time. I've handled a claim where, unfortunately, a passing away of a drunk driver, and you can be there for those people. And sometimes you end up giving them hugs in the office. And just insurance is, there's highs and lows, and just being there and being a person to that person, even though we're their insurance agent. So that's something that just is very rewarding when you can be that difference maker for that client that lost somebody, or a lot of different types of claims. So yeah.
Well, thank you guys.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah.